Hey cousins, back with another keto recipe. This time cheesy bacon ranch chicken, but I added my own spin to it. So I have my cheese, mushroom, onion, garlic, all my Kinder seasoning, lemon, ranch pack, pre-cooked bacon, and some green onion. Just rinse off your meat, pat it dry, and go ahead and season on both sides. So after your chicken breasts cook on both sides, you sear them for roughly about 5 minutes on each side. In a separate skillet, I have butter and also my minced garlic. This is where the magic happens. So I added some mushroom and onion, and I love this caramelized onion butter seasoning from Kinder's. It is so good. Like I love Kinder's seasoning. I don't know. It's just something about it. It's so good. So anyway, I saute my mushroom and onion. Then I'm gonna add a little of the Lee and Parents sauce to it. Don't try to say the W word, girl. Just say Lee and Parents, okay? Add that to it and continue to cook it for about 2 or 3 minutes, right? So then after that, you're gonna go ahead and go back to your chicken breast, right? That's already been pre-cooked. You're gonna add some of the 1 tablespoon to be exact of the ranch seasoning. I like to kind of let mine, sink in by adding some lemon juice on top. And trust me, it really paid off in the end. After that, I went ahead and added my mushroom and onion mixture on top of the breast. Oh my God, y'all. The way my house smells so good right now. And then once you got all of that on there, then guess what? You're going to add your shredded cheese. I have shredded mozzarella and also cheddar cheese as well. That goes in the oven for an additional 15 minutes. This is the end result. Oh, it looks so good. So time for the taste test with my favorite person to eat with, Miss Muffin. Say our grace and let's dig in. I hope you guys enjoy. For me, this recipe was absolutely a 52 out of 10.
Wait, hot. I know it. Hot. Wait. Hot. Good.